Hi folks, it's Rob here from Bonavista Leaderscapes, and one of the great questions that I get a lot is how to clear reminders from your screen on your new Hydropool Hot Tub. And so it's very simple to do. What you'll notice here is down on the bottom of the screen there are some messages, and they're going to rotate through, but sometimes what you'll see is a reminder to clean your filter or to change your water. And so to clear those, you're very simply going to go to Settings, which is our bottom left-hand button. We're going to come to Maintenance. And then right here above Standby is Reminders. So we're going to select Reminders, and here you'll see all of the reminders. So rinse your filter, clean your filter, change your water, have a spa checkup, and all of those things could pop up. It's just a reminder, remember, right? So if you've already cleaned the filter, you've done that particular maintenance before, it doesn't necessarily mean it needs to be done again, just that you need to clear the reminder. And to do that, you very simply select each reminder and hit Confirm as per the screen there. Okay, folks, or you can go down to the bottom and reset all reminders at the same time if you want to save a bit of time. And that's it.